Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust display brightness on HP laptop. And to do this we'll need to open our start, then move to the gear icon and open the settings. Inside we can find the display in system, and here is a brightness slider. You'll be able to adjust it just like that. You can also click on the arrow pointing down to change the brightness based on the content, on battery only, always, or turn it off. Now next option to change the brightness is to click on your panel right here where the Wi-Fi is and the sound settings, and when you click on it you should see brightness slider and you can adjust it like this also. And final thing, if your laptop does support it, then find FN button on your keyboard, which for me is located right here, and hold that button, click on F3 to increase brightness or decrease brightness. And if this doesn't work for you, simply let go of FN button and try to press F3 and F2 button standalone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.